everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Helen, and in today's video I'm going to dive into a topic that could potentially revolutionize your wardrobe and simplify your life. Capsule wardrobe tips. So first things first, let's talk about what a capsule wardrobe actually is. A capsule wardrobe is a curated collection of clothing items that you can easily mix and match to create a variety of looks. The idea behind the capsule wardrobe aesthetic is to have a limited number of versatile pieces that you will absolutely love wearing again and again, instead of an overflowing wardrobe that you feel that you have so many clothes but yet nothing to wear. I don't know if you have been there. I have definitely been there, and it took me a while to understand the capsule wardrobe idea and start implementing it into my lifestyle. So typically a capsule wardrobe consists of around 30 to 40 items, including tops, bottoms, dresses, outerwear, and shoes. Accessories aren't usually counted, so you can still have a little bit of fun with scarves, bags, hats, and some jewelry. So why should you consider a capsule wardrobe? I think there are many great reasons for that. First, a capsule wardrobe saves you time, because I feel when you have a capsule wardrobe, a curated capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces, there is no more standing in front of your wardrobe feeling, wow, I have so many clothes, but I feel like I have nothing to wear. Secondly, a capsule wardrobe saves you money. By focusing on quality instead of quantity, you buy fewer clothes, which last you longer. And thirdly, it is good for the environment. Less consumption means less waste, right? Okay, so now let's get into the step-by-step guide on how you can actually create your very own capsule wardrobe. Step 1. Declutter your closet. Start by taking everything out of your closet and only putting back the items that you truly love and wear regularly. Be honest with yourself and donate or sell anything that doesn't fit, is worn out, or just isn't your style anymore. What I personally do is I donate my unwanted clothes to my local charity. Step 2. Identify your style. Take a look at the items that you've actually kept and identify any common themes. What colors do you gravitate towards? Do you prefer casual or dressier pieces? This will help you a lot to create a cohesive look. Step 3. Choose your base pieces. These are your go-to items that can be mixed and matched super easily. Think classic jeans, neutral tops, a little black dress, and a versatile jacket. Step 4. Add seasonal pieces. Depending on the time of year, you will want to incorporate items suitable for the season. For summer, for example, add a few light dresses and shorts. For winter, include some cozy sweaters and a good quality wool coat. Step 5. Accessorize. Accessories can change the whole vibe of an outfit. Scarves, hats, jewelry, and bags are your best friends here. Well, at least they are my best friends. They don't take up much space, but they can add a lot of personality to your looks. So, now that you have created a capsule wardrobe by following the steps that I mentioned earlier on, I'm going to give you some tips to help you actually maintain your capsule wardrobe. So, tip number 1, regularly edit your capsule wardrobe. Every season, feel free to take the time to review what is in your capsule wardrobe and edit it accordingly. So if there is anything in your wardrobe that is worn out a little bit, for example, white t-shirts, or if there are any pieces that they no longer fit your style or they no longer fit you the way you like them to fit you, just feel free to take them out of your wardrobe and you can replace them if necessary, or just let it be as it is. Tip number 2, quality over quantity. Personally, this is my mantra. I want to focus always on the quality of the clothing items I'm buying instead of buying more and more items for my wardrobe. I think that's something that is in a good fabric, is well tailored, and the fabric is the top that you can afford always. You know, you don't have to go over budget to buy something for your capsule wardrobe. It will definitely stay for longer in your wardrobe and it will always look good year after year, wear after wear. And tip number 3, stay true to your style. Fashion trends come and go faster than we can say fashion. You don't have to follow all the fashion trends, but instead just stay true to your own style and choose items that are missing from your wardrobe, items that you feel confident and comfortable while wearing them, and items that you really love wearing day after day, time after time. I am a serious outfit repeater and I think there's nothing wrong with that. So you know, when you buy a piece of clothing that costs some money, is of good quality, you don't want to wear it just a couple of times. You want to be wearing it as often as possible. Of course, style it with different items so it doesn't look always the same, and just enjoy the clothes that you live in. And just remember, my friends, that creating a capsule wardrobe is a fantastic way to simplify your life, save money, and just feel beautiful and confident in every look that you put together. I think it's important to really identify your style and just have fun in your personal style and your own fashion sense. So if you found the tips I mentioned earlier in this video helpful to create your own capsule wardrobe, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this in the future. I would love to have you in my channel, and this is a little community that I'm trying to build here over on YouTube. It is a wrap from me. Thank you so much for watching. Sending you a big kiss. Ciao, guys.